Guys, in today's video I'm going to be sharing with you 5 best ways to make money online. Yes, so in this year in today's video I'll be sharing with you secrets that no one is willing to share with you. And just so you know, I have been broke before and I understand what it feels like not to have any money in your bank accounts. Guys, in today's video I'll be spilling the tea on how I was able to get out of a place of lack to a place of abundance. If this strikes like something you're interested in, please keep on watching this video all the way till the end. If you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you, where in the world are you watching from? And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys are amazing. Thank you for your massive love and support. I see you and I appreciate every single one of you from the bottom of my heart. Yes, so, and if you're seeing this gorgeous screen for the first time and you have not introduced yourself, my God is watching you. Oh yeah, introduce yourselves in the comments. I really want to know you guys. I'm building a community on this channel. It is all about you guys. This is not just my channel. It is your channel. It is our channel. So please feel free to ask your questions, express yourselves. Yes, I want to hear from you guys. If you need me to improve on 1 or 2 things on this channel, please let me know. I am rooting for you guys. I'm working for you hard for you guys day and night. And if you're a returning subscriber, you guys, I love you. Thank you for all that you do. God bless you. And if you're a Patreon member of this channel, you guys are the best. Yes, so if you'd like to join my Patreon community, please find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, do you know you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me? You can book a free session with me. We can discuss all things money, business, grants, and everything in between. Without further ado, guys, let's just get right into it. The first one on my list here is starting a YouTube channel. By the way, I'm a YouTube coach. I help small to medium-sized businesses start a profitable YouTube channel and begin to monetize from day one. Send me an email if you want to start a YouTube channel. Send me an email. You're welcome. Besties, start a YouTube channel. In case you don't know, a common strategy for making money in the digital realm is to launch a YouTube channel. There are more than 2 billion people that use it every month, making it the most popular video sharing website in the whole world. Making money from a YouTube channel can be done in a number of different ways. For you to start earning money directly on your YouTube videos, you must first join the YouTube Partner Program. And of course, the requirements for that is minimum of 1,000 subscribers and 4,000 public watch hours. 4,000 public watch hours in 365 days. Yeah, so if you don't meet up in 365 days within a year, then they start to deduct your public watch hours and it starts to drag and everything starts to look funny and clumsy and all of those stuffs. But you can make good money by starting a YouTube channel. And it's not just about starting any kind of YouTube channel. You need to know the kind of YouTube channel that you should be working on. And just so you know, advertisements are the most common means of monetization. Yes, there's also channel subscriptions, there's affiliate marketing, there's merch. You can sell your merch, sponsorships, and of course, YouTube brand. Yes, brand connects. There are more ways to make money on this platform. What you need to do is upload new videos often if you want your YouTube channel to gain subscribers and viewers. If you want more people to see your videos, then you need to invest in a high quality camera and editing software. However, you can start with what you have. Start with your phone. Yes, and you can also use YouTube SEO techniques. Yes, this is something that you should definitely do for you to improve your search engine rankings. It is necessary to optimize both the video names and descriptions. Yes, that is one of the many ways I'm going to be sharing with you. The next one on my list here is website flipping. Do you know you can buy and sell websites? Yes, and make a ton of money. You can optimize the site's contents for search engines, bring in money, and then resell the website for a profit. If you have a knack for creating beautiful websites that rank well in search engines and provide an excellent user experience, this is the best side hustle for you. Obviously, not all websites are good investments, so it is important to recognize which ones are good. The ones that are already popular and profitable are the ones that you should prioritize. In addition, websites in a desirable niche that also have a premium domain name tend to sell faster and for greater prices. Investing in a poorly performing website can be avoided by keeping a few things in mind. So one thing you need to inquire about is a proof of concept. Yes, a revenue report and the site's present ways of monetization. The next step is to investigate the volume and origins of the traffic. Now, these metrics are indicative of a site's viability. You can inquire about the problems that the site may have and make sure that you understand why the current owner of the website wants to sell. Finally, before making a purchase, make sure that you research the vendor and steer clear from unknown brokers. Guys, the next way to make money this year is to build an e-commerce website. Guys, I don't know if you already know that I have a website. It is www.chastiseeverything.com. Yes, so I am walking the talk. I'm not just asking you guys to do these things without doing it myself. You can see me doing it. I already have a YouTube channel and multiple other ones. Yes, so if you know, you know. And guys, just so you know, One of the most lucrative opportunities is online product sales. There are several advantages to online shopping, and they are luring more traditional retailers to the platform. Now, online retailers have reduced startup costs and more market potential. And since you won't have to maintain so many stores, you can reduce your operating costs. Yes. Before opening an online shop, it is important to settle on a certain market niche to serve. And you can limit your selection of things to sell by looking at what is popular right now. Now, the proliferation of e-commerce platforms has made it super easy for anyone to open a virtual shop. You can actually have a shop online, yes, without paying rent, but of course you pay monthly fees depending on the website, depending on the platform that you use. And the success of your business and the satisfaction of your customers hinge on your choice of platforms. Guys, there are so many ways to make money. Do you know that there are websites that actually where the rich give you money? Do you know there are websites that actually, where you can, the rich people just give you money for any kind of reason. And please, like I always say, I am not encouraging anyone to beg for money. However, I understand some people need money genuinely, and you can take advantage of these websites maybe to foot your hospital bills. Some people genuinely have medical bills. They have chronic illnesses, or they have this huge medical debts, and they're unable to pay back. So these websites can actually help you clear your debts in a short time. There are lots of websites where you can actually get paid. The rich people give you money. If you want to see more of such videos on my channel, I've actually shared some websites. I've shared that video on this same channel before, but if you want me to give you an updated version and share much more websites where the rich can actually give you money for free, I'm gonna do that. Let me know in the comments if you want to see more of that video. They pay you money for different kinds of reasons. So to foot your hospital bill, yes, they can also give you money for your school fees. Yes, if you have school loans, for example, and you need to offset the debt, if it's hanging so much on your neck, these websites can actually give you free money. So people are saving up money for IVF. IVF is very expensive. Yes, if you know, you know. And then these websites are there to support you, to assist you bring your dreams to life. You don't have to suffer alone. You don't have to cry all alone. You can go on these websites, and they say, a problem shared is a problem half solved. When you share your problem on these websites, people are willing to give you free money. And please, like I said, I'm not encouraging anyone to beg. However, some people genuinely need money. No matter how much work they do, even if they get 3 jobs in a day, they still will not be able to, all the bills are just too much, So these websites are there. They come in handy for people who actually genuinely need them. If you want to see those kind of content, more of those contents on my channel, please let me know. I'm working for you guys. I'm rooting for you day and night. If you want to see more of such content, let me know as well. Please note, this is a safe space for you to express yourselves. Yes, feel free to express yourselves. I'll be more than happy to respond to every single one of you. Yes, so, and in case you have not introduced yourselves, go ahead and do that right away. I'm not sure I introduced myself in today's video. So if you're new here, please introduce yourselves in the comments. I'd like to know you and meet you. Where in the world are you watching from? And if you're seeing me for the first time, my name is Mariam A, based here in California. I'm a wife, a mom, a student, an entrepreneur. I'm also a fashion designer. On this channel, just come to this channel. Make sure that you tune into this channel every single day, because here we are spilling the tea. Hey, we are not hoarding information here. So make sure that you join the family, join the winning team, join the moving train, and share this video with your friends, your village members, your church members, your boss members, your besties, your parapet members, your village witches. Yes, so send it to them. All your village members, send these videos to them so that they too can win, and win real big. And at this point, I want to say big thank you once again to my Patreon members. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description as well as in the comments. When you join my Patreon community, you can book a free one-on-one consultation with me. There are certain things that I'm going to share with you that it might take you 10, 15, 20 years to figure it out. But when you book that consultation with me, make sure that you come ready, come clean, come correct with all your questions, so that we can tackle all the questions within the period of time that you're able to schedule a consultation with me. And that is it for today, guys. If you'd like to join my Patreon community, find the link in the description and the comments as well. And of course, I will see you in my next video. In case anyone is doubting how far you can go so far that you can't even hear them anymore. All right, guys, take care of yourselves and go to experts, and I will see you in my next video. Take care, guys. Bye for now.